Hello. Hello, zombie and clown. What are you doing? We're gonna show the new person our house, so we're gonna do a tour. So this is my house. My mom is dead, by the way, because my dad ate her.
And by the way, look right here. There's something here for you. There's some tacos. Do you not see the painting right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my dad.
And on this side is his dad. I mean his mom.
Yeah, that's the last time I saw her.
Yeah, because his dad killed his mom. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know. I have a lot of brothers.
Let's have a tour of my house. My house. Where's the ring, guys? It's my house. Where are you, Captain?
I'm in my house. There you go. I'm out. Thank God. What are you doing?
Follow me, clown and French fries. Wait, I'm trying to get on French fries. No, don't. I just want to show you my house. Fine. Okay, good.
Don't worry, you're gonna get Pizza Planet later.
We're gonna get Pizza Planet later. Okay. And these don't work, Benjamin. I don't know why, Benjamin.
Don't ask the dead body, by the way. Don't just ask about that, okay?
That's the dead body. This is my house right here.
Don't ask about the dead body.
Wait, I'd rather this be my house because, like, I'm a clown. No, this is my house. I already ordered it on eBay. I bought this off eBay. No, you can't do that. You actually have to pay for it. Oh, I bought it off eBay. Why is this, like, so scary? Your house.
I know.
No,
But I just...
scary now, or... No, my house is way scary. I got dead something in it.
Hello. I'm at the...
Let's see Clown's house. I ordered. Look at my teeth.
Your face is so scary, by the way, clown. What happened to your face?
Yeah.
You lady and you a horror character. You should be the lady clown. That should be a horror game. Or a horror movie.
Okay, but I'm on a house. This is not either of our houses.
How can you get in your house?
I'm going to my house. Okay.
Wait! You're gonna get Pizza Planet.
No, we have to see Clown's house.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Okay, I'll wait out in the Pizza Planet then.
No, but don't you want to look at Clown's house?
No.
Okay. This is someone I killed by granny. Me. Now let's go to Pizza Planet.
Yeah, I'm gonna order the pizza. I'm gonna order some pepperoni pizza and one zombie one. No, let me order that zombie. Yes. Don't kill my friend.
No, you don't order. Okay, why is that person like that?
Yes. Can I have 7 pepperoni pizza, please? Yes. Okay. Thank you.
And also one zombie pizza. Okay, thanks.
Yep. Okay. Come right. And finally, we got zombie brains for zombies. We got brain pizza for zombies.
Yeah. I love this glass window. I'm in love with it. I literally love it.
Clown, can you get here, please?
No, I'm not talking to Pizza Planet room.
Clown? Clown?
She's right here. She's right here. She's right here.
Clown?
She's right here.
Clown?
Okay. Go on the Pizza Planet. Go on the Pizza Planet.
We can't.
I can.
You know what?
I can. No, stop it. Where are you going? She's up
the well. Oh yeah, yeah. I am going to top the well. Yeah. I am going top at the well. I know why I can't go up here. No.
I'm flying. I'm flying.
Wait, how do you fly? How can you fly?
Go up here. Just go up here, then you fly.
Oh, I'm flying. I can't jumping though.
I'm going back to my house.
You just broke your foot. You just broke your leg.
Oh, the pizzas are ready. Pizzas are ready.
Oh shit! I need to get the pizza for my.
I'm still on the pizza.
No.
Where's the thingy hat?
Give me the 7 pepperoni pizza for my French fries.
I took all of the pizza.
You don't like pepperoni. You only like brains.
No, I like pepperoni pizza. Teletubbies.
Me.
Come into this house.
I like Teletubbies. I like Teletubbies. Where is it?
No, sorry. I'm right here.
Yay! I want to go Teletubbies. I love it. I totally love it. Every time I got born. My French fries.
No, we're talking about the horror Teletubby. The horror version.
Wait, what? The horror?
Come into the kitchen, then look at the clock.
I don't want to watch the horror one. I want to watch the fun of the kid fetching one.
Oh, why do you not like horror? We are freaking horror.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
Because of me. I'm free.
What?
Okay, guess.
Look at the normal Teletubby. See, look. This is my new house. This is her new house. Next to the one that you ran. This one.
Wait, do you have burgers? You got burgers?
What in it?
Yeah. Pepperoni pizza! Yum, 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 yum. I'm eating all your pepperoni pizza. Yum, 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 yum. That was good pepperoni pizza for Clown's house.
My house. It's my house. Get out of my house. It's my house. Get out of my house. It's my house. It's my house. Get my house. It's my house. My house. It's my house. Stop it. Get out of my house. It's my house. I'll haunt you. It's my house. No. Yes, it is. Get out of my house. It's my house. Stop it. Get out of my house. Stop it. It's my house. It's my house.
Oh my god. Oh god. What's happening? I'm stopping the episode.
Clown stole my house. It's my house now. It's my house. It's my house.
I want to husband that.
It's my house. Get out. Leave my full house alone.
Oh